Cappadocia presents
Hi, I'm Laurie.
And I'm Emily.
And we're with CaptivatingCappadocia.com picking the winners of the Birds Without Wings book.
We've picked these names out of the hat into two different teams, so this is pile 1 and pile 2.
There were actually 12 entries to this contest, so instead of having 5 books given away, we're going to give away 6 books. Now that we've separated the names, let's introduce the two groups. So group 1 is Nathan, Kylie, Ben, Catherine Watson, Carla, and My Turkish Joys.
And team 2 is Jamie, Kimberly McHugh, Nicole L. Sharp, Danielle, Charles, and Joy Anna Crow. So we're going to go outside and explain more. Okay, so we've divided the tire into two parts, pink and blue. Pink is team 1 and blue is team 2. And we're going to drive around a little bit. I'm going to drive around a little bit. And whichever, when we stop, whichever color this mark is pointing to, that will be the winner.
Okay, stop right at the entrance of the driveway. Okay, put it in park, turn it off. Put the emergency brake on. Okay, now let's get out and show us who won.
Team Blue, Team 2 won. Okay, we know that Group 2 wins, so let's review and see who was in Group 2. Congratulations to our winners, and we hope you come back to Captivating Cappadocia next month for our monthly giveaway. Hope you all have a Happy New Year.